So we want to create a visually appealing chart of our income and expenses. We have our listed income here and our expenses here. They're all dated with the month and the day. So we need to do a couple of things. One, we need to create a sum for each of the months. So we'll create income, expenses. We will then have the date or the month. So we have here every single month and every single day. So the month starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In order to get the income, we're going to use filter. Our range is going to be the amount we get. Our condition is going to be that the month, or month around C, is equal to this month. And then we need to actually sum them all up. We'll do this through here. We can fix the bottom by choosing only B2 and C2, so we don't get that balance in. And we can fix the where there's no filter showing up. There's no results for the filter. And we can add nothing here. We can also change this to $sign, and there we go. Our expenses are going to be this exact same formula, except a different range. We're going to do D2 to D and E2. We will need to add a $sign in front of the number 2 here. That way, as we copy and paste it down, it doesn't change. Same here. In front of the 2, put a $sign, so we lock it in, and there we go. Now we have our month income and expenses. Insert a name here, so we want the month as well, but we want to call it January instead of 1. January, February. Here we have all the months. So now we can take this data and insert a chart. Copy this chart and paste it next to our numbers. But let's make it much more visually appealing. Let's go to Edit Chart and customize. Our chart style will actually use none so that we can change the background if we want. Our chart border will be none. Our theme we're going to change to Verdana. We can also choose smooth to make the lines much smoother. Our titles, we actually don't need a title for this. That makes it a lot more visually appealing if we have less text here. We also can change the color of the lines so that we can get rid of income and expenses. We have to change income to green and expenses to red. Change legend to none. We can change our horizontal axis title to nothing. Go down to grid lines and ticks. We can also get rid of the grid lines if we wish, but we can also just change their color to very faint. We can make the months 90 degrees, so that gives it a little bit more structure with less grid lines. There we have a much more visually appealing chart that fits well with our sheet. We can also change the background color. We can do something like this where the income and expenses are white, but everything else is deep green. And this chart has a transparent background, so it fits nicely within this sheet.